Hello, good morning, good afternoon wherever you are. Today, I'm going to look at this Shona proverb. This proverb means love is blind. When you fall so deeply in love with someone, you become blind to their faults or imperfections. To bring out the meaning of this proverb, I will tell you a short story. It goes like this. In a world filled with noise, chaos, and distractions, there's one thing that remains constant: love. But what if I told you that love is more than just a feeling? What if I told you that love is blind? Meet Sarah and Alex. They're like any other couple you'd see on the streets, holding hands, stealing glances, and lost in each other's company. But there's something special about their love story. Sarah, reminiscing on how it all started, said, "I remember the first time I saw Alex. It was like the world faded away, and all I could see was him." Said Alex also went down the memory lane. Sarah's smile lit up the room. "I may not have seen it, but I felt it." Sarah is a talented artist, while Alex is an accomplished writer. Despite their differences, they found solace and understanding in each other's passions. But there's one thing you should know: Alex is blind. In a world where sight is often taken for granted, Sarah opened Alex's eyes to a new kind of beauty: the beauty of imagination, creativity, and love. Their love story teaches us that love transcends physical barriers. It's not about what you see with your eyes, but what you feel with your heart. So remember, in a world where everything seems uncertain, love is the one thing that remains constant. And just like Sarah and Alex, may we all find the beauty in love's blindness. Hopefully this story clearly explains the meaning of the proverb we are looking at today. Thank you for watching. Meet you next time as we go on another journey explaining Shona Proverbs.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you found this short story interesting, and hopefully, it does clearly explain the meaning of the Shona proverb we are looking at today, Rudo Ibofu. This Shona proverb is similar to chida moyo hamba yakada makwati, or moyo muti unomera paunoda. They all mean the same, that when you truly love someone unconditionally, you are blind to their imperfections. All what you need is to, concentrate, to focus on loving them and not their imperfections. That's why love is blind. I don't know if you know any proverbs that mean the same. Please feel free to share. Leave a comment below, and also feel free to ask any questions. I'll be really pleased to come back to you as soon as possible. To my new subscribers, and those who are here for the first time, I just want to say welcome, a big welcome. And also, I just want to say hello, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, and hope to meet you soon in our next episode when we look at another Shona proverb. Take care for now. See you. Thank you.